my channel. It's Yale, and in today's video I'm back with another headband wig, and this one is with Hot Beauty Hair. And you guys, the packaging is so cute. Look at this blue and gold packaging though, like so cute. I was so excited when it came in the mail. So yeah, I can't wait to show you guys this headband wig because it's different. I am trying out some color. You guys know me in color. I didn't really try out color until I started playing around with wigs. So yeah, if you guys aren't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's get into it. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove this. And good, it comes with a little bag for the hair. I love that. And it just says Hot Beauty Hair on it. I love that because you guys, I always need a bag to store my hair in. And it comes with some headbands. This is so cute. I've been wanting a headband like this, like the really fancy looking one. So this is velvet with these little pearls. Super cute for like the holiday season and fall time. And then this black with the gold specks is really cute. So all that kind of reminds me of like holiday season. Really cute. So it comes with some accessories. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. And has this little satin, perfect for when I want to lay my edges. And then this little bag, and let's see what's in the bag. So we have a comb. I do need a new one of these. So nice comb, some hair clips, a band for the wig if you need to make it tighter, some bobby pins, always helpful, and some tweezers. So none of that stuff I would really need for doing a headband wig. Headband wigs are so easy, like you literally just put them on and go. You can style them if you want to, but it's really just put on and go. So you guys know I usually leave out some hair when I do my headband wigs, but since this is color, I do kind of just want to cover my whole head and put the wig on because my natural hair isn't going to go with this really. So this is one of those looks where I would probably just, you know, not leave anything out, but it's this nice little like loose wave kind of texture. It's in this burgundy, y'all. It's in this burgundy. It's super pretty. Nice fall color actually, like the way the burgundy is, like nice color. Of course, like I said, it has the headband already attached to it, and what you do with other headbands is you put them on and change up your look if you want to. And then it has the clips inside to keep it nice and secure. So I'm excited about trying this. I used to really want my hair burgundy like years ago. I wanted to dye my curls burgundy, but I never did it because I was being scary. But I've done like hair paint wax and stuff like that, and that's been fun to kind of help with my wanting of burgundy hair. But the fact that I get a whole wig to put on and I don't have to worry about any mess, any coloring, it's just already colored for me, is amazing. So it's attached onto my head, and then what I do is secure it, and this is Velcro, so you just secure the Velcro. And voila, it's on my head. I think for this, I probably would need to leave out some hair. I feel like if I left out some hair, it would look a bit more cute and natural. But that's just my opinion. I like to leave out hair. That's just how I am. But it's like voluminous, body wave looking, loose wave hair. So it's really cute. I'm just not used to color on me, but you can flip it to the side. You can do all types of looks. I mean, I could just, you know, just lay my edges down because I like to like pull it back some, because usually the headband on it is too wide for me, and I like to just pull it back some. I'm gonna go ahead and slick my edges because I mean, it's okay for some color to be shown, but I like this like to the side, tousled kind of look. Oh, this is bomb. I'm just gonna lay my edges. This is what it looks like with the baby hairs kind of just laid, and it's like I told y'all, it's big, it's tousled. I didn't lay the other side but I was just trying to give y'all an idea. And you guys know with headband wigs you can do half up, half down, any kind of look you want, but I think I like it, like, you know, yeah, I like it to the side. It's so big. This is that hair when you ready to just show out. Like, it's so big. Like, my color girls, like for my girls I love color, this is it for you. And like, even just put on this cute headband. You can put on any headband you want. That's one thing I love about these. You can do any headband you want. So this is this one. I don't really feel like it goes because of the color, but any other one definitely. But this is still a cute headband. Like, they have different headband options. Like I said, you can change it to whatever you like. We have this one right here. You can do like that. Or you can always completely put it on. You can do this kind of look and just have it all back as well. Toss to the side. You can make it skinnier. You can really just play around with it. You can really just get creative with these headband wigs. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. But this is what I'm looking like, y'all. I feel like this might be cute if I would have, yeah, I need to lay them edges, girl. But even if I did like a half up, half down kind of look. But I really like the like flipped to the side. Okay, y'all, so what I ended up doing is pushing it down on my forehead a little bit more because, girl, my forehead was looking big. But yeah, guys, if you like color, definitely check this hair out. If you like big volume type hair, definitely check it out. They have other headband wig options as well though, so yeah, definitely check out the description box. Check out Hot Beauty Hair for all the hair colors and things like that. Yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.